He broke out my window.
Which one?
Man, look, I'm so mad.
Then complete this season.
Well, I mean, the expectation.
Hungry as shit, yo. The fuck is this?
I got the wrong sandwich. I don't want that shit.
For everybody wondering, this is my son, Kalan Avi King.
Try to sit up straight.
Give me a big pull that. Pull that too. I need backup right away. Oh!
Bro, you trash, bro.
Let's go, nigga!
Oh, shit. Alright, buddy? Alright.
You good, Wesley?
Has a Guinness World Record as the first Latin solo artist.
Do you shave your pussy?
What's up, blood?
Oh, hey! What are you doing?
You know why I pull you over today?
No, sir, but I have a surprise for you.
What are you
No,
looking
I
about?
swear, no, I have a surprise for you, I swear, wait.
Oh, lunch!
No!
This is the greatest day of my life!
How about this?
My Uncle Bud did that to me once.
Man, thank you, Miss Ann. Miss Ann, say your last name for me again.
Supanika.
Snaggy, you must tap dance and shit. Like,
Your girl left you, shut up, nigga.
Yo. Oh, Shaggy, what the fuck?
Hey, are you girls lost?
No.
Why are you outside the kitchen?
Merry Christmas, sweetheart.
Oh, Peter, thank you. An arcade-style Galaga machine. Oh, thank you, Peter.
Move, nigga!
After 2 seconds, 1 second. What's your name and occupation?
Jerry Jones, and I'm a fucking racist.
Oh.
Yo, JJ, what's up, bro? What are you playing?
yo, bro, I'm just playing this Rocket League.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wings on Camerton Road. If y'all come up here, it's customer service sucks. And I'm gonna come back. Fuck out here. Okay.
Hey gang, it's me, Tony, and today we're gonna see if I'm faster than this mousetrap. Turns out, I'm not faster than this mousetrap. And update, it hurts. Alright, bye guys.
God, your bad news is making my easy job just a little stressful, because now I've heard your fucking bad news, like, ugh. Like, can you have some level of shame? Can you stop having bad things happen to you and then share it with me when I ask? Like, fuck. God, where do you get off?
Then shut the fuck up in 2024! Yo, you sound dumb.
This is Shiva. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better person.
Okay, now that I got your attention, let me tell you something. You know what really grinds my gears? Niggers. Fuck you!
He's gay, but he has a special connection to classical music. There's many things that are interesting about him.
What's your name, dude?
Certified turtle.
Are you out your fucking mind? Get him out of here, man. Yep. Hey, come on, man. You Ninja Turtle looking motherfucker.
I'd have to go with that cake. I haven't seen anything like that in years. Suit yourself. I hope you choke on your fucking cake. It looked like shit, by the way.
Goddamn cheeseburger and some goddamn fries, you fucking goo bags!
Get him the fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Get him out of here, bro. Get him out of here. Get him the fuck out of here. Can't do this shit, bro. I'm not fucking doing this, bro. Get him the fuck out of here, dog.
You're looking at him, baby. Jeez.
Nick,
Yeah, I am. That's me.
oh my fucking...
You know, I dislike sexual assault as much as the next guy. Yeah, that's some bad stuff. Rape? Boo! Don't like it.
No way. What? Dwayne The Rock Johnson dead at 68. Who's that? You don't know who that is? No. The Rock. What? The guy from Fortnite?
Like, kill yourself, nigga. Seriously, man. Murder yourself. Hang yourself, nigga. You serve no purpose, literally.
Dirty bitch, like, come on. Oh, my mama, they whole losing weight. Let me show y'all. Ever since you left, bitch, you been losing weight. What the hell? You're taking a hair run? One time.
Bro, what is that? Is that spaghetti?
He doesn't cuss? He does cuss. Yes, he does.
Yes, yeah, watch. Fuck the niggers.
Alright, bro, chill out. Don't say that.
Williams! Jethro, the little...
Did you know why Miles Morales' name is Miles Morales and why not Peter Parker like other Spider-Mans? It's because he's a